Are you ready to turn your career as an insurance agent from zero to hero? If you're just starting out or looking to boost your income, this video is for you. In this ultimate guide, we'll walk you through the proven strategies and insider tips on how to make money as an insurance agent. Hey there! Welcome to this video on making money as an insurance agent. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your career to the next level, this video will give you the strategies and tips to turn your career from zero to hero. So, let's get started. In this video, we'll be discussing the crucial first step in building a successful insurance career, understanding the insurance industry trends and changes that will impact your income. By staying on top of these industry shifts, you'll be better positioned to seize opportunities and thrive in the competitive world of insurance sales. Step 1. Evolving consumer behavior. The first trend to understand is the evolving behavior of insurance consumers. In 2023, customers will be increasingly tech-savvy and looking for personalized, convenient experiences. As an insurance agent, this means you'll need to adapt your sales approach and use digital tools to meet these changing expectations. For example, you can leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to connect with prospects and build your network. Additionally, you can use chatbots or AI-powered tools to automate routine tasks and free up time for more valuable activities like prospecting and lead generation. Step 2. Advancements in technology. The second trend to keep in mind is the rapid pace of technological advancement in the insurance industry. From blockchain to machine learning, new technologies are transforming how insurance products are created, sold, and serviced. As an insurance agent, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest tools and platforms, such as insurance agency management software, to ensure that you're able to effectively manage your sales pipeline, track leads, and manage customer interactions. Step 3. Changing regulatory landscape. The third trend that will affect your income in 2023 is the changing regulatory landscape. Governments are constantly updating insurance laws and regulations, so you need to stay informed and ensure that you're always in compliance with the latest rules. This can be challenging, but there are resources available to help you stay up to date, such as trade associations and industry publications. Example of how to apply trends to sales. Let's take a look at an example of how you can apply these industry trends to your insurance sales strategy. Say you're a health insurance agent, and you're looking to increase your sales in 2023. By understanding evolving consumer behavior, you know that customers are looking for personalized experiences. So, you could tailor your sales pitch to each prospect by using data analytics to identify their specific health needs and recommending policies that match their preferences. By leveraging technology and the latest sales tools, you can streamline your sales process and provide a seamless, convenient experience that meets your customers' expectations. Understanding the insurance industry trends and changes that will affect your income in 2023 is the first step in building a successful insurance career. By staying informed and adapting your sales strategy to meet evolving customer behavior, advancements in technology, and changing regulatory requirements, you can stay ahead of the competition and maximize your earnings potential. Next, we'll discuss how to build a strong foundation for your insurance career. By choosing the right niche, obtaining the necessary licenses and certifications, and building your network, you'll be better positioned to succeed in the competitive world of insurance sales. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. The first step in building a strong foundation is choosing the right niche. With so many different insurance products on the market, it's important to identify a specific area of expertise that aligns with your interests and strengths. For example, if you have a background in finance, you might specialize in selling life insurance or annuities. If you're passionate about cars, you could focus on selling auto insurance. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about, you'll be more motivated and better equipped to succeed. Step 2. Obtaining the necessary licenses and certifications. The second step in building a strong foundation is obtaining the necessary licenses and certifications. Depending on your state and the type of insurance you plan to sell, you may need to obtain specific licenses and certifications. For example, if you plan to sell health insurance, you may need to obtain a health insurance license. Similarly, if you plan to sell annuities or other investment products, you may need to obtain a securities license. By obtaining the right licenses and certifications, you'll be able to legally sell insurance products and provide better service to your clients. Step 3. Building your network. The third step in building a strong foundation is building your network. Networking is essential for finding new clients, building relationships with industry professionals, and staying up to date with the latest industry news and trends. You can network through industry associations, social media platforms, and attending industry events. By building a strong network, you'll be able to leverage the power of word-of-mouth marketing, build trust with potential clients, and establish yourself as a knowledgeable and reliable insurance agent. Example of how to apply foundation building steps to sales. Let's take a look at an example of how you can apply these foundation building steps to your insurance sales strategy. Say you've chosen to specialize in selling health insurance to small businesses. By obtaining the necessary licenses and certifications and building your network, you'll be better equipped to provide quality service to your clients. You can attend industry events, connect with small business owners on LinkedIn, and join a local business association to build your network. By focusing on a specific niche and building a strong foundation, you'll be able to stand out from the competition and increase your earnings potential. Building a strong foundation is crucial for success in the insurance industry. By choosing the right niche, obtaining the necessary licenses and certifications, and building your network, you'll be better positioned to succeed in the competitive world of insurance sales. Finally, here are some insider tips and tricks to take your income as an insurance agent to the next level in 2023. These tips and tricks are based on years of experience in the industry and can help you improve your lead generation, identify high potential prospects, and increase your sales. Tip number 1. Effective use of social media for lead generation. Social media can be a powerful tool for lead generation, but it's important to use it effectively. One way to do this is to create engaging content that provides value to your target audience. For example, if you specialize in selling life insurance, you could create a blog post about the importance of having life insurance and share it on your social media channels. You can also use social media to connect with potential clients and build relationships. By engaging with your followers and providing valuable information, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in the insurance industry and increase your lead generation. Tip number 2. Offering bundled insurance products. Offering bundled insurance products can be a great way to increase your earnings as an insurance agent. Bundling products like home and auto insurance can not only save your clients money, but it can also increase your commissions. By offering bundled products, you can provide a more comprehensive insurance solution to your clients and increase your sales. Tip number 3. Referral programs. Referral programs can be a powerful tool for increasing your lead generation and sales. By incentivizing your clients to refer their friends and family to you, you can expand your network and reach new potential clients. You can offer incentives like discounts or free policy reviews for referrals. By implementing a referral program, you can tap into the power of word-of-mouth marketing and increase your earnings potential. Implementing these insider tips and tricks can help take your income as an insurance agent to the next level in 2023. By effectively using social media for lead generation, using data analytics to identify high-potential prospects, building trust with your clients, offering bundled insurance products, and implementing referral programs, you can increase your earnings potential and establish yourself as a top-performing insurance agent. Making money as an insurance agent in 2023 requires a strong foundation, an understanding of industry trends, and the use of proven strategies and insider tips. By implementing what you've learned in this video, you'll be on your way to turning your career from zero to hero. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on making money as an insurance agent. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.